Welcome to the new lesson. For better learning, watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video, you will be assigned a task to do. Stay connected. Let's go to the video.
Now, let's evaluate the conclusion. To sum up, you can notice here, semicolons are wrong here. Instead of semicolons, she should use comma. In my opinion, fast food should not be banned because life is very busy and everyone has no time to cook. But sometime, so here, sometime is wrong because in this context, she wants to say sometimes, and there is no space between some and time. So sometimes we should cook at home and eat healthy food to stay healthy. Because healthy here is the spelling mistake, and because healthy food keep us away. So healthy food is a singular noun that requires s with the main verb keep. So she should write keeps. Subject verb agreement mistake here. Away from many health problems. These are the mistakes that can highly affect her banned score. Better version of the conclusion is, to sum up, I believe fast food should not be banned because life is very busy and many people do not have time to cook. However, we should sometimes cook at home and eat healthy food. Healthy food keeps us safe from many health problems. If you also want to evaluate your essay, go to the end of the video. There is a task, and do the task and submit in the comment box.
Before you go, here's a task for you to do.